Most people hear about KashKick from flashy screenshots showing quick payouts. But here's the truth no one tells you. Some users make decent side money with KashKick, while others quit after a few days feeling frustrated and disappointed. The difference usually comes down to how they use the platform. In this video, you'll get an honest and unbiased KashKick review for 2026. We'll cover the real pros, the hidden downsides, how people actually make money on the platform, and whether KashKick is still worth your time today. Let's start with the basics. KashKick is a rewards platform where users earn money by completing surveys, playing mobile games, trying apps, and signing up for offers. Unlike points-based apps, KashKick usually shows earnings directly in dollar amounts, which many users prefer because it feels simpler and more transparent. For example, Alex downloaded a mobile game through KashKick and earned rewards after reaching specific levels. He liked seeing exact dollar amounts instead of converting points into cash later. But here's the problem. Not every task is worth your time. This is where most people fail. Surveys can be inconsistent, and some users spend several minutes answering questions only to get disqualified before completion. Now here's where it gets interesting. The gaming offers are often where the better earning opportunities exist in 2026. Some strategy games and casino-style apps offer larger payouts if you hit progression milestones within a certain time frame. That's why many experienced users skip most surveys entirely and focus mainly on gaming offers. One major advantage of KashKick is the relatively simple payout system. Many users like that the platform focuses heavily on PayPal Cash rewards instead of complicated reward catalogs. The interface is also beginner-friendly compared to some competitors. In a minute, I'll show you the biggest risk that causes users to lose rewards. Before that, let's talk about the downside most reviews ignore. KashKick availability and offer quality can vary depending on your location. Some users see far better offers than others, especially in the United States. Now for the biggest issue. Offer tracking problems can happen if you don't follow instructions carefully. John installed a game directly from the App Store, instead of through the KashKick tracking link, and lost the reward completely. That's why screenshots and proper tracking permissions matter. Another downside is time efficiency. Some tasks simply pay too little for the effort required. If you try completing every available survey or small offer, the platform quickly starts feeling frustrating. So is KashKick worth it in 2026? For casual users looking for side income from games and offers, yes, it can be useful. But if you expect fast full-time income, you'll probably be disappointed. The smartest strategy is simple. Focus on high-paying gaming offers, avoid wasting time on low-value surveys, and follow instructions carefully to protect your rewards. If you've used KashKick before, comment below with your biggest payout or best offer so far. And subscribe for more honest reward app reviews, money-making guides, and side hustle tips.